Hello there, got a refund on your business credit card. Let me show you how to enter that credit card refund in Quickbooks online the right way, step by step. For this, first go to New, then under Vendors, select Credit Card Credit. Now fill in the refund details. Pay the vendor who gave you the refund. Credit card account, the card you used originally. Date, the day the refund hit your account. Under category details or items details, enter the original expense account or item the refund is related to. The way the refund shows up in the right spot on your reports. When you are done, hit save and close. Want to double check the refund? No problem. Go to accounting, chart of accounts, find the credit card account and click view register. You will see your refund listed there. Look for the transaction level CC credit. If you need to make changes, just click the transaction, then hit edit. The original refund screen will pop back up. Make your updates, click save and close, and you are done. And that's how you enter a credit card refund in QuickBooks online. Quick, clean, and accurate. Got more vendor transaction to manage? I've got tutorials for this too. Like, follow, and keep your books balanced.